Hello everyone, this is Hirani, an online math tutor. Today we are going to start math series where we are going to cover most difficult and medium math questions. So in this video, we are going to solve 3 questions. 2 of them are medium level and the third one would be a bit trickier. So let's get started. Let's read the first question. It says, in the given figure, what's the perimeter of triangle A, B, and C? If we look at this triangle, let's just highlight what we need to find out. We have to find out the perimeter of this triangle. Like, what is the perimeter? It's like adding all the sides length of this triangle. So we already know BC. The thing that we need to find out is AB and AC. So we can easily find out AC from our second triangle, this one, because it gives us 2 sides length and we can easily find the side length AC. So we know the Pythagoras theorem. It says AD square will be equals to AC square plus CD square. So what's the value of AD, which is 17 square? What's the value of AC that we need to find out? What's the value of CD? That's 8. So using our calculator, 17 square is 289 equals to AC square, and 8 square is 64. Now we subtract 64 on each side. We will get AC square is equals to 289 minus 64. That gives us 225. And we take the square root on each side. We will get AC is equals to 15. That means our length of this side is 15. So we need to work for AB now. Again, we will be applying the same thing. We will be applying the Pythagoras theorem because this is again a right angle triangle. 2 sides are given. We can easily find the length of the third side. So let's do that. I'm gonna erase this so I have some space to do the other calculation. So again, applying the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. That gives us 15 square, and AB we need to find out, so we will keep it as it is, and then BC is 12 square. 15 square is 225 plus 12 square is 144. That gives us AB square is equals to 225 minus 144, which gives us 81. Now we just take the square root of it and we will be getting AB is equals to 9. So we know the length of each side now. So we can easily find the perimeter, which is perimeter of triangle A, B, and C is equals to AB is 9 plus 15 plus 12. That gives us 27 plus 9 is 36. So our answer is option number C. I hope it's clear. If it's not, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer your queries as soon as possible. And if you guys have any other question that you want me to solve through a video, then just post it in the comment section or just send me on this email or just WhatsApp me. I will do that question. I will try to solve that question particularly in the video and will mention you. So you guys can have a look over it. Okay, let's get started with our second medium question of this video. The longer leg of a right angle triangle is x inches. If the length of the hypotenuse is 1.25 times that of the longer leg, then what is the length of the shorter leg in terms of x? So let's get started with this one. Let's say the longer, again this is the right angle triangle. So we know that it's A, B, and C. Longer leg means either A or B. Let's just say that they are talking about the longer leg, which is, let's say which is B in our case, because that's look longer. Let's say it is A, X. If the length of the hypotenuse, that is C, is 1.25 times the longer leg, and we name the longer leg as X. Then what's the length of the shorter leg? That means they are talking about A in terms of X. So again, applying the Pythagoras theorem, A squared plus B squared is equals to C squared. We have to find out A squared, given that we know that B squared is X squared and C is 1.25 X whole squared. So A squared plus X squared, and 1.25 square is 1.5625 X squared. Now you subtract X squared on each side. We will be getting A squared is equals to 0.5625 X squared. Now one of my students just left the answer over here and she was confused because she couldn't see any of the answer in the options. Then she realized her mistake, that they are not asking about A squared. They are asking about A. So you guys have to be very careful what is being asked. So you just take a square root. Like these are the common mistakes that every students make under pressure of the exam. So just be aware of what is being asked and how you guys have to do. Just make a plan of that. A is equals to, so the square root of 0.5625, that's 0.75 x. That means our answer is option number D, which is. I hope this is clear to you guys. If not, then just again let me know in the comment section. Let's move to our third and a hard question. I was trying to do these questions with one of my students from USA. She was not able to crack it, although it was like less than 1 minute question, but it was hard. It was hard. In the figure below, the sine of the angle ABT is equals to the cosine of angle DBC. Which of the following must be true? So in the figure below, the sine of the angle ABD, that means we are talking about this angle, is equals to the cosine of angle DBC. So we are talking about this angle. So sine of ABD is equals to, let me move it like this. So the problem, so the question just gives a hint over here. Sine of angle ABD is the cosine of GBC. That means these two angles are the complementary. Now, complementary angles are those angles which add up to 90 degree. So, like for example, let's say ABC is 60. Okay, so sine of 60 would be equals to cos of 30 because they are the complementary angles. So 60 plus 30 needs to be 90 degree. So this equals to this, right? I'm giving an example. So sine ABD is equals to GBC. That means these two are the complementary angle. That means this is our right angle. This triangle is our right angle because this is right angle. Okay. Now we have to examine each of the option. Sine A is equals to cos C. So sine A means this angle and this angle. So obviously this option makes some sense because sine A, let's say it is again 30. And obviously sum of all the angles has to be equals to 180. If this is 30, this needs to be 60. So sine of 30 is equals to cos of 60. That means this is 100% option number E. We don't have to explore all other options. That just gives us the answer. So let's just close this video here. And if you have any question with this regarding this video, or just let me know in the comment section, or just email me at HeeraniTutor@gmail.com, or just message me or WhatsApp on this number 0336291616. And other than that, if there's any question that you want me to solve through a video, just let me know. I will try to make a video on that and will let you. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, HeeraniTutor. It's just a motivation to just keep on going. So your one like or one subscribe can be a great motivation for me. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.